Mom's birthday is coming up fast. We can't just get her another random candle. I know. I've been thinking all day, and I'm stuck. I want something that truly makes her happy. Flowers, chocolate, a scarf? Ugh, that's so boring. I don't think Mom will like them. Where's the glue? We can't make anything cool without glue. Maybe Dad used it for that broken chair. Or maybe it ran away because our ideas are terrible. These sites keep saying, best gift for Mom, and it's always a mug. Mom already has, 10 mugs. Yeah, and she never uses the world's best mom one. It just sits there, judging us.
Some people say the shadows aren't empty. They say something watches. When the lights go out.
Why is this on? Tom, this is creepy. Just change it, Anna. It's only a show. I don't like that show. It sounds real. What if something is outside our window right now? It's not real. They say stuff like that to scare people so people will keep watching. There, TV's off. See? Nothing happened. But that show puts scary images in my head. Now I cannot stop thinking about them. It still feels like something could be in the dark. They might be watching us. You're safe. We're at home. The monsters are all your imaginations. They may be Dad's coach or Mom's purse. Hey, want to talk about the gift again? If we focus on Mom, you might feel better. Good idea, Tom.
Tom, Anna, you two are pretty quiet tonight. Is everything okay?
Yeah, we're fine. Just, thinking about stuff. School stuff? And, normal kid stuff. Let's go to the store now. We can still make it before it closes. Now? It's already dark. Look, the porch light is on. We'll be fine. I'll stay right next to you. The light only covers a little part of the road. After that, it's really dark. I don't want to go. Come on, I'm here with you. We will do this for Mom. Okay. We'll figure it out. Hey, what happens to Mom? Mom? Are you okay?
That's me when I was little, and that's Grandma. We used to sit and watch the moon. I still want to look at the moon even though your grandma is not here. But I still have you and Tom.
Oh no! The clouds cover the moon. It's so dark outside. Anna, where are you going? I think what we can do for Mom for her birthday. Mom said she wanted to see the moon, and we will help her. The moon? Where can we buy the moon? Hey! I have an idea. We cannot buy a moon, but we can make a moon. Do we really have to do it outside? I'm still scared of the dark, but I will do this for Mom. Let's go. I will be here with you. Don't worry. Okay, Tom. It's darker than I thought. I hope we can make it. You are so brave, Anna. Keep it up. Hey, Anna. We can use this. Good idea. I'm about to throw it. This is a nice spot. Okay, be careful, Tom. Let's just put them in the bushes. I think that will work. Here goes nothing. Wow, this is so beautiful. Mom will love it. Oh no, this is not working. We cannot fix them in time. What a waste of time. We must find another way to make Mom happy. Hey, look what we have. We can still make it. Let's follow it. We can find more of them. Hurry up! Don't lose it! Let's go, Anna. There must be many of them. Let's go, Tom. I will be right behind you. Tom, are you sure about this? It's too dark out here. I am here with you, don't worry. Here, use this. Mom gave it to me when I was still scared of the dark. Thank you, Tom.
Whoa! The kids did really well. But maybe it's broken. I will fix this. This will do it, and let me try to plug it in. The lights are on, but where are the kids?
Wow, this is so beautiful. Mom will surely love it. This is fun. Quick, grab them and put them inside here. Look what we got for Mom's birthday.
Good job. But you must tell me next time. I've been looking for you.
Anna, let's put Ben inside this balloon. Good idea, Tom. It will be really beautiful. Mom's gonna love it. This will be the best birthday gift ever.
Wow! What are these?
Happy birthday to you!
What a surprise!
Happy birthday, honey.
We bring to you a moon, Mom. Happy birthday!
Wow, this is gorgeous.
What a brilliant idea. I'm really proud of you and Tom.
Thank you for the gift. This is the best gift ever, but it's time to release them.